Howdy. I'm here at my darker sky field tonight, and I'm going to show you setting up the AZ-GTiX by Skywatcher, and I'll be referring to it as the X. Keep it simple. Off camera, I set up my Macterm tripod. I tossed the compass on it and faced it north, which of course the GoPro sends the needle off, but doesn't seem to be facing north anymore. What happened? Yeah. Well, we're back to north. I don't know if you can see it or not. Can't zoom in on it. I then took my cheap camper level and leveled the base. Then I have my rail. I have a triple leveler and the pier that's included with the X, and we stick that on there, lock her in, and I leveled that, and that's got two little bubble levels on it. Now I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to attach the mount to the pier. That's going to take a minute, so we'll shut that off. You don't need to be bored with that. Be right back. Okay, that was quick and easy. When you do that, you want to tighten up the azimuth screw. Tighten it. They tell you not to over tighten it because it can affect the gears. Then what I want to do is make sure that that's aligned with the base, which is aligned with the mount, and everything's facing north. Because you can do a north alignment with one star to set this up. And we check the bubble level up top. I don't know, can you see that? I can't. It looks pretty good from here. And we're ready for camera. And I'm using my Canon Rebel EOS T5i. And I'm probably going to have to put you down here so I don't drop my camera as I install it into the mount. Hang on, be right back. Okay. The camera is now mounted on the L bracket and the mount ready to go. I'm going to plug in my power cord here. That goes to my homemade 2-battery power supply. Turn that on. White light, you don't want white light. She's plugged in here, you power it up, and when it gets dark, we can check the alignment. Of course, when it gets dark, my GoPro is going to be useless. Oh, I got my C-Star set up, ready to go. Also waiting for darkness. I'll shut that off for now. And you know what we can do? We can start recording on the phone. If you go to alignment, it gives you several choices. You can do 1-star, brightest star, 2-star, 3-star alignment. You get to choose. And of course, the more level you make it, and the more stars you use, the better your tracking will be. And I'll be recording this and show you how it's done, and I'll see what I can do in the dark as far as showing you anything else. But it's a simple setup. It doesn't take too long, and if you take the extra few minutes to make it level, you'll have better results. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, it's getting darker. I got my 55 to 250 lens on. I've got my dew heater on. It's an SV Boning. Nobody sponsors me. I get no funds from YouTube. This is all bought with my own money. You might notice I have a bunch of stuff on my camera. I got a phone mount. There's some pretty cool Lapster pointed things that, I mean, if you don't have a GoTo mount, that helps you out. And I've got a dot sight, and I also have a little ball mount that I can stick my GoPro on and do some filming while I'm shooting the stars. So unfortunately there's no stars yet, but we can do a 1-star alignment. Connect. Okay, 1-star moon. Begin alignment.
Center object.
Now, the app's going to tell you to, let's shut off this light. Maybe that's better. Anyway, manually center. And you do that by using the control buttons down here. And you probably can't see it, but I'm taking the cover off for my I don't know, can you see the green dot in there? Probably not. But it's showing me that we need to go down. And hopefully you can see that in the viewfinder. The display on the camera. Great. And go up a little. And the moon is centered. Let's see if we can get it focused, which might be difficult with this band on it for the dew heater. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a break here and move my dew heater onto the shield. I'll be back. I don't know. Can anyone tell me why it is I can't focus on the moon with this lens? If you have any suggestions, a little clickety-clack down there in the comments section. I would much appreciate some advice here. So I've also had problems focusing stars in the past. But you know what? We're going to run with that right now, because I have to set up my intervalometer and get ready to shoot something. I'm sorry, image something. Hey, I'm pretty new at this, so don't take my advice. I'm looking for yours. I'll be back. Alright, so tonight's a bit of a fail. The moon's washing everything out. There's a haze. It's not letting me focus even my sea star on the moon tonight. So we're going to pack it in, call it a night. Moon's going to be coming full in a few days, so it's going to be a while before I get back out here. I'll go over what I recorded tonight. If it comes out decent enough, then I'll post it up. If you don't see it, well, guess what? I didn't. All right, see you later. Thanks for watching.